Just a very quick live video. I'm a bit late today. I was covering for some sicknesses in one of my computer repair stores, so I literally just got back in, checked the charts for the very first time, and lo and behold, we're at the level we've been watching. We've been talking about this level for some weeks now. This is the head and shoulder we talked about, the neck and the right hand shoulder, and we're currently right down at this neckline area. So what I'm going to be watching for today is a break of the neckline, a retrace back up for a further push down. So 43.60 is a possible target, and then we could be looking at 43, well, probably the 200 moving average, 43.20 if we see a big push down. So on the retrace, that's the play I'm watching for today, the break and retest. If we find we are at actual support, then I'll be looking for a push back up. We've been down here once, twice, 3 times, and I think I really want to get long if we get down to 4400 exactly. Going into the hourly now, we weren't far off it. Maybe that is the bounce we're looking for, but let's take a look at bookmap. Across, you can see in bookmap we've got a heavy area here, so this is where I want to get long. I want to see it spike through, pull back, retest and go long, or put in a higher low to go long. So that's what I'm waiting for. We've got lots of buyers down at 4400, 4405. I'll zoom out a bit more, and obviously we get down, this is a target of 43.85. Let's have a look, see how that matches places on the chart. 43.85. So I think there's lots of buyers sitting here. What's that area? Okay, potentially we've got 4400. 85 is this area here, so let's just put a level in there as a reminder, as a potential target or a bounce. I've also got this area as well, 43.60, as a potential bounce area, and that's purely because when we last time we got down to that pivot, we saw this big reaction and we haven't been back down there since. So that's it. We're about to go, the market's about to open in a few minutes. If you trade hourly, you could be looking out for a buy set up here on the hourly. It's broken this candle, so it's change of colour. So that's a potential trade. I don't trade the hourly unless I'm swing trading, and my swing trade will be the break and retest of this area back down. So that's what kind of what I'm looking for. So let's go back into the 5. So we're deep into this demand zone now, and that is an area I wanted to catch a bounce. We've gone through that, so that could be a break and retest area. We could be watching that area 44.25, 45.30. But 4400, I think if we can get back down, if we can get down to 4400, then hopefully we may see a bit of a bounce as well. And like I said, with bookmap, we've got quite a lot of orders at 44.05, and that's just in front of this level here. So potentially buyers, in fact, let's go back to the bookmap again. Buyers who missed it the first time round here, when big selling came in and then we reversed, will probably want to get back in again there. And look at that, we've got 702. I'm not sure if that's 7,020 or 70,200, but it's potential 70,200 contracts waiting there. I'm fairly sure there's a couple of zeros on the end of that, possibly, but I don't think in Thinkorswim or bookmap you can change what these numbers are. In fact, hang on. If we go to, it doesn't matter. Anyway, I want to crack on. I was about to go to my platform and look, see the time and sales. Potentially that is thousands, yeah. So that's, I think that's thousands. So we've got 70,000 potential orders waiting down at 44.05. I think that's what it means, or it could be 7,000. I should know if I look at volume. Well, we've had 7,000 orders today, so already. Where's my daily? It's easier just to look at the daily to see what we normally get. So There, here we go. So today we've already had 13. That's 1,000 orders. 1,000. Yesterday we had volume. Where's the volume? That don't sound right, does it? 800. I don't believe we had 800 orders yesterday. I'll look at that, and I literally just got back in, so I'm kind of just wanted to put this quick video out because we're watching this area. I don't want to go today without mentioning this video because this was the area we've been watching for some time. So we've got the neckline area. I can get my, here we go, neckline area. So just to recap on the daily. So this head and shoulders pattern is now a complete head and shoulders pattern. So that's potentially what we're looking for. So either a break and retest, or we're looking for a bounce, maybe a bit of a confirmation. A bit like this when it came down last night. It came in, retested and pushed back up. So they're the two plays I'm really watching for. And rejection wise, I'll watch for a bounce here, and I'll watch for a bounce here as well. So 4,300 and 4,355 area. And rejection wise, if we get back up to yesterday's lows, then I'll look for potential rejection underneath here. So that's 44.31 as a rejection, and maybe that pivot there to 44.40. So they're the areas. This area here for a rejection. Obviously this is a big area as well if we come back up, but we're looking pretty bearish today. I'm going to try not to go in with a bias. So I'm going to wait for 4,400 for a bounce, and then a break and retest, or a bounce with confirmation. This could be the confirmation here, or coming out as part of it. Okay, market's open. Have a good day. Thanks for